Disconnected, frustrated, and staring at error 525, let's put an end to it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Roblox is a massive online platform enjoyed by millions, but sometimes players encounter error code 525. This error typically points to a server-side issue or a problem with your connection, preventing you from joining or staying in a game. While frustrating, the problem is often temporary or easily resolved. With a few practical steps, you can troubleshoot the issue and get back to playing Roblox without interruptions. Here is how to fix error code 525. Method 1. Check Roblox server status and wait for some time. Error 525 can appear during global outages or server maintenance. If Roblox itself is down, the issue isn't on your end. In that case, simply wait until Roblox resolves the problem. Visit Roblox's official server status page or community updates. If servers are undergoing maintenance, wait till they are back online. If servers are fine, move on to the next methods. Method 2. Delete Roblox log files. Corrupted temporary files can trigger error 525. To fix it, delete Roblox log files. Press Windows+R and type this in the Run command box. Press Enter. Select all files by pressing Ctrl+A and delete them. Restart Roblox. Method 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet is stable. Run a speed test to confirm consistent connectivity. If unstable, restart your router or contact your ISP. If stable, continue with the next steps. Method 4. Run Roblox in compatibility mode. Sometimes running Roblox in compatibility mode helps. Right-click the Roblox desktop shortcut, then select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for and select a Windows version. Also check Run this program as an administrator. Relaunch Roblox and test. Method 5. Log out and log back in. Sign out of your Roblox account on all devices. Log back in on a single device. This refreshes your session and may clear the error. Method 6. Reset network settings. If DNS cache corruption is the cause, open command prompt as administrator. Run these below commands one by one. Restart your PC and relaunch Roblox. Method 7. Change DNS. Press Win+R to launch the Run utility. Copy and paste ncpa.cpl command in the Run command box. Then press Enter. Right-click on the network services you use and expand its properties. Click to open Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. From Use the following DNS server addresses section and set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8. Next, set the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Relaunch Roblox and check if the issue is fixed. Fixing Roblox error code 525 is one of the simplest ways to restore your connection and keep your gameplay smooth. Whether caused by server downtime or local settings, these solutions will help you get back into Roblox quickly. If this video helped you solve error code 525, hit like, subscribe for more practical Roblox and Windows fixes, and share your own troubleshooting tips in the comments, because chances are someone else is facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.